going on, everybody? Cody Does It, back at it again with another video. I had issues with these two lug nuts here. I'm doing a brake job front and rear, and some tires and other stuff. You can see they're pretty chewed up. This one, boy, it's hot. I didn't even get it all the way off. You can see how it's crooked. I can center in that hole for you, but you can also see how this one's offset to one side. We got some fucking problems. I'm gonna continue to try to work this bad boy off. I may have to grab my air gun. I think that's definitely on there. I'm probably gonna have to cut her off now. Yay! Alright guys, so yeah, I got most of them off. You can see they're basically rusting together, and when I'm taking them off. Work on cars, they said. It'll be fun, they said. You'll learn a lot, they said. It's not the lug stud, guys. It's the lug nut. The stud is not spinning in there. This thing will not come off, so it's not like I'm gonna be cutting something off. They're just snapping or taking parts of the thread with the lug. This one, that's all it's gonna do. So I'm gonna have to figure out a way. I may have to cut it, spin it, cut it, spin it until I got it most of the way cut off, and then see if I can drill through it. Not quite sure. We'll revise this inspection, even though I didn't inspect this vehicle. One of our loop techs did. We'll write it up for all the issues. Some rubbing from the tires. Did get this one off. Some of them are okay, some of them are, I don't know. We're probably going to try to clean these threads up, replace the ones that are absolutely destroyed. And see, you can see this one kind of did the same thing as that other side, so definitely pretty fucked up. So we're definitely going to have to yeah, do a lot of work just to get these freaking wheels to go back on after I put tires on it before it goes to auction, which makes absolutely no sense to me. See, there's a nice gouge in this rotor all the way around. So I might put brake pads on it. I don't know why I'm doing brake pads. You can't really see, but that one, another one that's messed up. Let's see if it'll focus on it for you. It's pretty boogered. Yeah, I'm not quite sure, guys. This is a 200,000 mile truck with what appears to be, yeah, factory freaking rotors. So, get a road up, get it topped up, tipped out, done. I'm kind of over this already. I'm kind of irritated that I actually got handed this job. I do have a dragger link recall where basically you do an alignment and then you're going to weld these two nuts to this adjuster. So if you ever have to do another alignment, you have to grind the welds off. Thanks, Dodge. Great idea. Yeah, I'm not really going to go into much more detail on this turd of a truck. See if I can get my flashlight to come on for you. You can see that line's leaking. Power steering. It's a power steering cooler line. It runs over here. Yeah, what a day, guys. What a day. Dry belt's okay, though. Huh. But yeah, anyways, this freaking lug nut, she's toast, guys. All of these are pretty much screwed up. I'm gonna see if maybe this one replace all of them. But as always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. I'll probably edit out a lot of this BS that I've been talking and some of the curse words, but man, I'll tell you what a day, guys. What a day. Thankfully it's cooler. It's like 80 degrees today. It's not too bad. I'll show you real quick. Yeah, hey, right on the money, guys. 80 freaking degrees today. Alright, guys, I'll see you on the next one.